Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You asked me many times to make special video with a detailed review how to work with difficult nail plate and how to prepare nails perfectly to make them stay on more than 1 month. So I think you should watch this video to the end, because as we Russian used to say, the devil is in details. Maybe one detail will make you to transform your work to the perfection, and result of your nail works will be fantastic. Once this is done, I'm continuing with applying the base color on the same on the nails. And now I'm gonna tell you about new product from shapeofnail.com. And this is the best idea to combine together two products, gel polish and the gel paint. Now everybody knows that actually these are the same product. Now it has no sense to buy millions of glass bottles with the high price. One day my friend gave me advice to order artistic pet bottles from Chinese store and fill them in with the gel paint from the shapeofnail.com. And this idea was very smart because I saved my money. I have now beautiful and elegant bottles in my nail studio which are unbreakable and long-lasting. And when the product is over, I always can add some product from the pet bottle, so I don't need to throw away expensive things. My beautiful bottles will always work for me. And of course, this way I have two products. One of them is pet bottle with the gel paint, and another the beautiful bottle with the gel polish. And actually these are the same product. The high pigmented product, which is suitable for the nail design, for thin lines, and which is also suitable for covering the whole nail plate only in one layer. So this is so pigmented. So guys, I want to give you advice to check out shapeofnail.com and look on those beautiful colors, which cost not higher than €5 for one pot of 10 milliliters. 10 milliliters of high pigmented gel paint. I think every nail technician in any place in the world understands. More than 50% of duration of your work depends on the drill bit which you use for removing the product, and also on hardness of product you remove. For example, my friend, she used very hard glossy sculpting gel, and she used to remove this gel using low toothing drill bit. That low quality drill bit always heated the nail plate of her clients, and she always forced to change the area of gel removal. The process was very slow, and also sometimes she needed to turn off the electric file because the drill bit was very hot. So then I gave her my sculpting mix gel to try and the barrel drill bit, and after using my products she was really impressed with the differences between them. And I know that thousands of nail technicians from all over the world have already tried these products, and they keep on ordering them because they have no analogs. Do you want to know why? Because Chinese drill bits are made from soft steel, which becomes blunted very fast, and simple sculpting gel are very hard, and it's very difficult to remove them. One day my nail tech friend said that could be great if we have one product for the base coat and the sculpting coat. And now we have this product. The sculpting mix gel is the hybrid of the base gel and the sculpting gel, which you may use for applying the base coat using simple synthetic gel brush. But don't forget that the layer should be very thick, and cure it in LED lamp in 1 minute. And after, you may apply the sculpting coat using the same gel. It doesn't burn the nail plate, and consistency of this gel will allow you to work accurately and slowly. I think this is the best product for the beginner. And now guys, it's time for revealing shots. Please tell me your thoughts about this nail design. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to order those products I use in this video, you may look on information under this video. See you in the next one. Bye!